What is the right way to meditate? What if I'm doing it wrong? Good questions. Usually asked by people that are unfortunately afraid about making mistakes. Meditation is not an open heart surgery, so there is no need to be afraid of making mistakes. But people are worried about making them. They are afraid of meditating the wrong way. And usually those worries come up when people had a specific experience doing their meditation practice, or when somebody heard about somebody else's experience doing their meditation practice. We have 3 scenarios you can think of. The first one, too much happened doing meditation. There were specific struggles that came up, unpleasant feelings, emotions, sensations, and it was just too much to handle. Then we have the complete opposite. Nothing happened doing the meditation practice. Nothing changed. Nothing noticeable changed. And the third scenario, something really unexpected came up. Nobody saw that coming. We as human beings are pretty quick in putting labels on experiences. So if something doing meditation doesn't feel right, it's bad. If something unexpected came up, it went wrong. But there is that wonderful concept in meditation that we don't judge. We don't put labels on meditation experiences. Judging is for judges. We don't judge ourselves. We don't judge others. All the struggles, the specific emotions, feelings, sensations that come up during meditation come up for a reason. They are valuable. And it really doesn't matter if they are pleasant or not. It's what it is. So there is no right or wrong, and there is no good or bad in meditation. There's just you and your experience. And your experience is different than mine experience and everyone else's experience. Meditation is a never-ending transformative process, and it is impossible to predict its outcome. So having expectations is a waste of energy, is a waste of time, and it's not helpful on a meditation journey. It doesn't bring you anywhere. There is one meditation though that you can do wrong indeed, and that's the one you don't try. For a regular meditation practice, you need to find something that works for you. And the only way to find that something is by trying. There are so many approaches to meditation, so many techniques, so many schools, so many traditions, that there is something for everyone, also for you. Look for something that works for you, that benefits you, and once you have found it, you will know that it is the right way to meditate.